So my name's Sally Brown and I'm 16. I live in Ballykelly, Northern Ireland, and I'm a 100 and 200 metre sprinter. I've got left arm dysplasia, which means I don't have an arm below the elbow, and that can affect me a lot. A normal running style is using both your arms quite a lot, so I have to kind of pretend as if I do have the rest of my arm and use this quite a lot and more exaggerated than my right arm, and I have to have quite a strong core to be able to keep that balance. This year has been amazing and I've done so much. It all started off in January when I went to the IPC World Championships, and I went out there for experience to kind of have a feel of what a big competition like that is like, and I got into both the finals of the 100 and 200 metres. I got 4 PBs and I got a bronze medal in the 200 metres, which I was really happy about. And I did the juniors as well, and I got a gold in the 200 and a silver in the 100, and I got 2 PBs there as well, so this year's been really busy. The training can be really hard sometimes. Like when I was getting ready for the World Championships in January, Northern Ireland got iced over and it was like -6 all the time. So we were down on this beach, it was actually snowing over, like icing over. But I personally think that that might have been kind of what got me the medal, just that determination of not, even though it was snowing, not giving up. One of kind of my biggest achievements, I could probably say, is I'm second for the 300 metres in Northern Ireland under 17, and I'm really proud of that because I'm running against girls that are fully, full-bodied. I got selected for the relay team, the 300 metre relay team, and that's quite a big deal for somebody that's got one arm. I've been running non-disabled for kind of the most of my life, and it's only the past year and a half that I've been involved in the Paralympics. There's some extraordinary people competing in this, and some of the things that they've been through, and they're still, finding the brighter side of kind of life. My dream goal, I want to do what Oscar Pistorius has done this year and run at a world level non-disabled, because I think that's just so amazing, and I don't see why if we're fast enough, why shouldn't we be able to run against non-disabled people?